Joel from Performance Exhaust here today, guys, and we've got this lovely G6 Falcon in. This vehicle is going to be getting one of our VIPER 2.5-inch systems. It's going to consist of a hot dog in the center with a dual tailpipe out the back. Unfortunately, this vehicle does have a broken exhaust on it currently, so we're not going to record what it sounds like, as it's not a correct representation of what a standard one would sound like. We'll get the car up, get the old one ripped off, show you the new one, we'll get it done. Alrighty, so as you can see, we've got the vehicle up at the moment. Turn the torch on. So as you can see, rear muffler rotted out, really rusted, quite broken, flapping about. I think the only thing holding it on right now is the hangers. This you'll usually find in a lot of LPG vehicles or vehicles that do a lot of short trips. Condensation builds up in the muffler and just completely rots them out. It doesn't matter what it's made of. If you do a lot of short trips, the condensation is never really getting burnt off and therefore just going to rot out. But coming along, you can see this is a standard vehicle, standard cat, standard res, standard middle section. So from this flange here, that being the cat pipe, from the cat pipe back, we're going to be replacing it with this lovely system. So we've got a HotDog Centre coming up and over the diff cradle. We're looking at a dual tailpipe rear. Now, for how loud this has got to be one of the most popular systems that we sell for a Falcon. So it'd be interesting to actually see and hear it in person. But yeah, we'll rip the old one off, get this one on, and we'll go from there. And here is the system. So twin tailpipe coming up and over the cradle, single hot dog in the center. Time to start it up, see just how loud it really is. You know, like I said, this is a fan favorite. People love buying these ones. This for the BA, BF, FG, FGX, as long as it doesn't have gas, as well as for the ute and sedan models. So yeah, we'll get it down, see what it sounds like.